Y'all hear that husky talk? They really be talking like that. They
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. You took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you boss, you can't even pay me enough to react. You waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory, yeah. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap.
So I'm feeling really magnetic today, you guys. I'm feeling very abundant, very fortunate. Today is Saturday, December 10th. It's almost 7 a.m. And as you guys know, I take my clients extremely early on Saturday. So we don't have a too big of a busy day, but we do have a few full sets. And somebody's getting bottom lashes today, so I actually need to go get those out of the cart. And I think I left the big tripod in there as well. So I went to Starbucks this morning, you guys, and I guess, you know, my energy was right. So the lady, she was like, oh, I asked her how many points did I have, and she was like, oh, like you're almost at 400, you should keep them, but I'm gonna give you this coffee today because like your energy is amazing. So I feel like I just got that thing going. Favorite thing about my dream car is this. Every day I just wake up in gratitude that I get to drive my dream car, and it's just everything I wanted. Like it's my dream car down to the T. And it's so crazy to me because people will be like, oh, Lashes did that. Like Lashes was able to afford you a Range Rover and so much more, you guys. But y'all, that's why I tell y'all gotta shut that noise out. Y'all really gotta shut the noise out and just keep your head down and just do your thing, because I promise you, like, it is possible.
This in between us is not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack, and don't let them making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig. She telling me Tay is the best. Point at the nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you won't get stretched. Bring Drake to the hood. Round Drake. Even though I got a case, I'ma do what it take. And I never been embraced. And the money's hard to make. So I bet they on their face right now. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Let me be dead and now they won't dead it. Yeah. Party still beat it, my niggas still eat it. That girl that look like the garden eat it. Pillow talk with him, spilling the tea. And the shorty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. Yeah. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby.
Yeah, hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks on racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks on racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. I'm on my bling bling song, yeah. I could do this all day long now. I don't know where I belong now. Tell me where it all went wrong now. Yeah, oh no, no, oh please don't go. I got shows, I'm on the road, I'm headed home, I'm where that at, I don't know. But all these flows make me mad. I got a cold, and what's my goal? To be or not to be, that to be. Making up my mind while I'm puffing on that doobie. When I'm on my own, can't stop thinking about my roomies. Please don't call my phone, can't you see I'm with the rubies? Ruby, Ruby, I got a brand new whip, red and gold, yeah. Hop up in that backseat out at foreign. Don't nobody try some things and call me your opponent. Got a bunch of commas, then I roll up with the Rolex. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks on racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks on racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Yeah, I'm licking at my lollipop, and my mama starting to ask me where my money from. And my papa, he gon' call me when that popo come. See me run up on that hill like I'm at Comic-Con. Ooh, when I'm sober, I don't wanna front. Ooh, I caught that polo right from mama's son. Catching feelings like them buddies you read it on. Straight up off the plane, yeah, I'm running from Babylon. What you planning on? Yeah, hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks on racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed.
Let me see it again. That was so cute. That's such a cute picture. Thank you.
Oh wait, I don't know why I have to do that.
Oh my gosh, you look so freaking snatched.
I have a waist trainer on.
Let's show the our people on YouTube. So
Oh my goodness.
snatched.
Oh, you're taking
You
a video?
see? Yep. So
Girl, I was going crazy booking my lashes, and I was like, should I book all the way through?
I seen.
And then I was like, I'm considering booking all the way up through February because I'm like gonna be busy. Well, also like I just feel like it's holiday season, and I was like, I would be
Valentine's Day.
damned if I look bad on fucking any of these holidays.
I know.
Because now that you do my lashes, like I found the person that does them exactly the way I want them. Like if I don't look the way I want to look for every photo, I'm gonna be so mad at myself because I
That
didn't
part.
schedule the damn appointment.
Mm-hmm.
My lash appointment, I think, is like the only one that I'll be like cutting people off, like end of conversation, like I gotta go, like waking up, setting up 7 alarms. Like I will literally be that girl on the highway trying to make it because I cannot not have my lashes.
I need my lashes.
No sis, I need my lashes.
Now we're going to Petco because I don't think I told you guys, but today is Medusa's birthday. She's one. She's the big one, you guys. Oh my gosh, like I love my dogs so much. I am that person that'll like throw a birthday party, which is what we're doing tomorrow. I don't even really think I told y'all about my new dog. Y'all probably just like, well, what is that new dog? So that's Freya. We got to stick with the goddess names first of all. So Freya is from Norse mythology, and she's the goddess of love, sex, and war. So yeah. But anywho, so they're sisters from different litters. So I think they're 8 months apart. But Freya's gonna be bigger than Medusa because Medusa was the runt of her litter. But yeah, she's my firstborn and I love her so much. So I'm going to throw her a little party tomorrow. So the girl that I just did her lashes, she has both of their parents. So we're gonna go over there and we're gonna do a birthday party for Medusa. And they're gonna be able to play with their parents and whatnot, and so we're gonna get pictures and cake and stuff like that. So I'm on my way to Petco right now to see if I can get her a big treat, like a birthday type of cake or something like that, and some toys. I ordered her some toys off of Amazon yesterday. I wasn't gonna do it because I have thrown away all of their toys because they like destroy all of them, but I went ahead and ordered them because, like, I mean, she's so cute. She's so cute. Hey guys, we're back. So it's been a little bit. So I did get a cute little cake from Medusa for her party tomorrow. So we're all set for that. I'm currently just redoing my banner for my current video, which I uploaded today. You would have already seen it by now, the Lash Cart video. I don't like the thumbnail that I have. Now that I've seen it actually on YouTube, I think it looks a little messy, so I'm gonna delete these little things right here. If you've been wanting to start a YouTube channel, this is your sign to go ahead and do it, because to be honest, all of my videos that do extremely well, I've shot them on my iPhone. And I'm like, I have these cameras, but my iPhone videos are the ones that get the most views. So don't let you not having the equipment stop you from creating a YouTube channel. So yeah, you guys, I'm actually, hey mama, you okay? You okay? You little big girl, you big girl, you big girl. Oh, no. All right, don't make your sister jealous. It's her birthday. All right, you guys, so I actually, y'all hear that husky talk? They really be talking like that. They really be whining. I'm actually going to end the day in the life of a Lash Tech vlog here. I want to wrap it up by saying today I made $450. I have a special. I'm on one special a year, so those full sets, they would have been $230, but they were $150, so that was the difference in that. But Saturdays is normally the days that I take my consistent clientele. And the thing is, you guys, I feel like every time I do a day in the life of a lash tech, I always have the same clients on a Saturday. I randomly do it on a Saturday where I have the same clients. So please believe that you can build a clientele and get the same repeat clients consistently, you guys. So I have a ton of workflow to do this weekend as far as setting myself up for the rest of the content that I want to bring to you guys this month for getting you set up for 2023. I want to get you guys kind of on the right page. So the next videos that we have, the series of videos that we have, are going to definitely help you in kind of defining where you're headed in your career, you guys. So, okay, that's enough. Okay, so my little boo's coming over. So we're going to watch a movie, and I'm going to see if he'll help me put my Christmas tree together, you guys, because I am not in the Christmas spirit. I'm not going home this Christmas. So I won't be able to see my family until the beginning of next year. So I'm a little sad. So I haven't put my tree up, but he said I need to put it up. So we're going to put it up. He's actually waiting on me. I don't know what we're watching, but I'm going to go ahead and get off, you guys. Get a little bit more comfortable. And I thank you so much for watching this video. Let's chit chat down in the comments. Ask me any questions you want. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.